to our lipstick. So today I am filming this video because I'm not going to really be doing anything. I just wanted to talk to you guys and get some recommendations from you because they recently discontinued my favorite foundation, which is the Lancome Photogenic Lumessence foundation. I loved this. This was my favorite foundation in the world. What sucks is that the only foundation that I've found so far, obviously I have not tried every foundation in the world, so which is why I'm making this video, to hopefully get some help from you guys. The closest one I've found that gives a similar finish to this is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation, and you guys know that is a $64 foundation. Is that worth it? I don't know. Now this one was an expensive foundation as well, but it was $42, so it's still $22 cheaper than Giorgio Armani. I do own the Giorgio Armani foundation, but if I could find a foundation similar to this that was cheaper, that'd be great. So I'm going to swatch this for you guys. If you guys have never seen me use this before, this is my last bottle. I don't have a backup, and they're completely gone online. Believe me, I've looked, can't find them anywhere in my shade. So I squirted this out. As you can see, it's a thick foundation. And when you spread it out, it actually has kind of like a grayish color when you first put it on, and then it kind of like matches your skin tone after a little bit of time. So it's a thick foundation. It's got a lot of luminosity to it. It's very radiant, thick and radiant. What I love about it too is it never sinks into any sort of fine line or wrinkle. Not that I really have any, but I do have a lot of like acne scarrings right here, and it doesn't like dip down into those or cling to those and emphasize those. It doesn't make me have any smile lines or anything like that. It just doesn't crease at all. So if you guys know of any foundations that are similar in texture, consistency, and finish to this foundation, please recommend them to me because I would like to try them out. And I likely will be doing reviews and demos of those foundations here on this channel if I have not tried those before. So I'm really looking to find a new favorite foundation that isn't Giorgio Armani. So please leave your suggestions down in the info section below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this and to leave any comments below. If you're going to leave a rude comment, please go ahead and hit that unsubscribe button and move it along. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much.